This is delicious, thick, keto, chocolate, strawberry milkshake. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. So before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys for always supporting Maxine's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a delicious, so simple and so easy chocolate strawberry keto milkshake. I know your mouth is watering right now. So let's get started. And these are my ingredients in front of me. I have 1 cup of strawberries, of course. What's a strawberry milkshake without strawberries? I also have 1 cup of ice. I'm using crushed ice. I have here 2 cups of coconut milk. And I also have my protein powder, and the protein powder that I use, I'm going to show you. I will also link it in the description box. It is the Hood. And this is gluten-free, no dairy, no soya, no animal, and hypoallergenic. And that's what I love about it. So this is the one that I use. And so that is my protein plant-based powder. I also have here 1/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa. All right. So this is all you're going to need to make this delicious strawberry chocolate milkshake, and it's keto. So all you guys that are ketoing, this is also perfect for you as well. Crushed ice, strawberries, my 2 cups of milk, and this is coconut milk, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa, 1 scoop of my protein powder. I'm gonna add everything in the description box, guys. This is a delicious strawberry chocolate keto milkshake. It could be used as a meal replacement shake as well. Absolutely delicious. You can pre-make this. Okay, let me just shake them up a little bit. And this is what it looks like so far, and it's very chocolatey and delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the blender and have our delicious keto strawberry milkshake, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, on our blender. And let's get blending. All right, all done. Look how chocolatey that looks, right? This is how easy it is to make a strawberry chocolate keto milkshake. Look how thick, rich, and delicious that looks. Yes, guys, if you love what you see, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free. If you want more of these delicious, healthy recipes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, I'll wait. There you go. Look at that deliciousness right there. I'm gonna taste it right now and let you know. Wait. Absolutely delicious, guys. Absolutely delicious. Look at that thickness. Yes. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. If you want more keto recipes, just go ahead and let me know in the description box, and I will go ahead and do that for you as well. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and what? Say it with me. Stay healthy.